Hi, welcome to Helena Spears Yoga. Today we're going to be doing a short pelvic floor awareness and relaxation program. And so the first thing we're going to be doing is building some awareness. So to do that, we're going to use like a stack of pillows, or I have a chip foam block, a hard block, and a towel here. You could fold up a pillow, you could fold up blankets, anything to make something higher up so you can kneel on it with it in between your legs. So when you sit down, you want to have your sits bones on here. So the first thing we're going to do is just close our eyes. And we're going to breathe, and we're just going to try and feel, what does our pelvic floor feel like when we're just sitting here breathing. So then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to rock forwards and backwards. And just keep a calm, smooth, easy breath. And then coming back to neutral here. And what we're going to do is we're going to tilt our pelvis side to side. And then we're going to move around in a circle. In reverse directions. And coming back into neutral. Okay, let's move these blocks off to the side. And we're going to come into a supine, legs bent position. So what you can do is just put your hands in a little triangle and place them right on your pelvis. And just come back into your breath. Take a few just smooth, relaxed breaths here. And then on the next inhale, I'd like you to arch your back. And then as you exhale, you're curling your pubic bone up towards your ribs. So inhaling, arch, exhale, curl. So when we inhale, our pelvic floor should be expanding. And as we exhale, it should be coming back up. So inhale, arch, pelvic floor expands. Exhale, curling, pelvic floor comes in. Now, I don't want you to be like grasping or clenching your bum or trying to do a Kegel. You just have relaxed muscles And all you're doing is breathing in coordination with the breath. So the next thing we're going to do is you can keep your right leg bent or straight, whatever you feel works for you. And you're going to take this left leg and just pull it towards your chest. Now I'm thin and flexible, so this is very easy for me to do. But, you know, not everyone is the same shape, thank goodness. So what you could do is bring your leg far out to the side and hang on to your thigh here. And what we're looking for is a pull through our glute and the pelvic floor in here. You could also use a strap, which I have right here. It's almost like a half happy baby. And just come back into your breath. And letting that go. Taking a moment just to relax and breathe. And let's bring that right side up. And then we can do both at the same time. Let that breath come in and out like an ocean wave. Letting go of anything that you don't need. Relaxing your jaw. Okay. Release that and bring your feet to rest on the ground. And what we're going to do is we're going to inhale, right leg to the ground, and exhale, left leg follows. And then we're going to go the other way. Inhale, left leg to the side, and exhale, right leg follows. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. And then we're going to do the same thing again. So inhale, right leg to the right, exhale, left leg follows. Inhale, left leg to the left, exhale, right leg follows. So just keep going in that manner when you just follow one leg with the other in coordination with your breath. And if you get the breath to movement backwards, it really doesn't matter. And last one here. Okay, just pull your knees into your chest and rock back and forth. So what we're going to do now is a classic pose, pigeon. But we're going to do a little bit of a difference. We're going to stay upright. So to get into this pose, you're going to come into hands and knees. And you're going to bring your knee forward and to the side of the mat as much as you can away from your body so that our hips are square. Now you'll notice I have my bolster here and I'm using that to push against. So the idea here is that we're getting a deep stretch through the external hip, the hip rotators here. They're also part of the pelvic floor. And this can be quite a strong pose. And if you're really seized up, then perhaps you should not attempt this size, this form. And there's some other types of pigeon that are a little bit more accessible. And I'll demonstrate those on the other side. So again, just coming into your breath and breathing. Seeing if you can let go of any tension, maybe especially in this left hip. And then we're going to push forward out of that. And just bring your feet together, knees wide apart, and coming down into a pigeon, that child's pose. And coming back to that smooth, long breath. And you don't have to use a bolster for this pose. You can also just come straight down. And coming up. So now you can do the pigeon on your left leg, but I'm going to just quickly demonstrate the alternative pigeon here. So you're just going to come up towards a wall and swing your legs up. You're going to cross your leg over the other knee, not resting on the knee joint. And then you're going to slowly bend your leg and come down. Now this is nicer because it doesn't put as much pressure on your knees. And just coming back to that smooth, easy breath. Letting go of anything, any tension or anything in your body that you don't need. Okay, and let's release from those pigeons. And let's come back into a child's pose one more time. There you have it. A short pelvic floor awareness and relaxation practice